Hey everybody, welcome to the module on script building. What I refer to as the key to delivering the perfect sale every time. Now let me start this module by saying that scripts are one of the most misunderstood parts of all selling, to the point where many salespeople think that using them can in some way be unethical or lacks integrity or make them sound wooden and actually reduce their closing rate. But the reality happens to be the exact opposite. You see, when you're using scripts properly, which basically means learning how to use a script without sounding like you're reading from a script, it will actually increase your closing rate dramatically and help you get massive referrals. So let me start first by telling you exactly what a script is. Now, very simply, all a script is the well thought out essence of the perfect sale. Let me repeat that. A script is the well thought out essence of the perfect sale. Let me explain what I mean by that. Now imagine if you could go back in time and review 15 of your best sales presentations and ask yourself, when did I sound the smoothest? When was I most right on target? When was I so elegant that even when I had 3 or 4 objections thrown at me, the perfect answers came tumbling off my lips and ended up closing the sale anyway? Well, what your script represents is all those perfect sales wrapped into one condensed, absolutely perfect version that you can then commit to memory so you can sound your best at all times. Essentially, it's all your best lines using exactly the right order for a perfect straight line presentation. Meaning, it allows you to establish instant massive rapport on both a conscious and an unconscious level while maintaining complete control of the sale the entire time and always sound like you know exactly what you're talking about, even when you don't. And in terms of objections, it allows you to answer them in a way that doesn't take you off the straight line to Pluto or Uranus. But anyway, there are also some other major benefits here from a management perspective, in as much as their ability to systemize their sales force by having the entire sales force saying pretty much the same thing to all its customers, regardless of what region they're in or whether they're inside salespeople or outside salespeople in the field. This type of uniformity is crucial when it comes to growing and expanding a company. Not to mention the potential regulatory hassles it saves you when, in the absence of scripts, salesmen start going wildly off the straight line, start making stuff up inevitably. Now, sometimes salesmen who do that are actually bad intention. They're saying things for the wrong reasons, but very often it's not that. The salesman didn't want to lie or be deceitful. They just simply ran out of accurate, intelligent things to say. And then in one heat of the moment, they basically just started making some stuff up out of fear of losing the sale, and it wasn't quite ethical or accurate. So a good script prevents that. And what a good script also does is addresses each of the 5 core elements of the straight line. And it addresses them in exactly the right order, or syntax, as the phrase goes. And it allows you to create both an airtight logical case and an airtight emotional case for each of the 3 10s, and then to effortlessly answer all of your clients' objections while looping around again and again and again to build that 100% absolute certainty, and then ultimately decrease their action threshold, and if necessary, raise their pain threshold, and then calmly ask for the order. It's that simple.